Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I think all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Most welcome to all of the students to the online class of Rangamati Government High School of class 8 of English second part. Dear students, we have taken a lot of classes on English second part during this pandemic coronavirus. I think all of you have enjoyed and seen all of that classes. In our last class, we have taken about article. Dear students, we have taken classes on change of speech. We have taken classes on prefix and suffix. We have taken classes on voice change and all other grammar topics like capitalization, punctuations. Article was the rest, and in our last 3 classes we have tried to make it clear to you. The students, article may seems to you, it is seems to you easy. I think it is also easy, but there are lot of rules for articles, and when we are going to put articles in our exam paper or in our practice book, then sometimes we feel little bit hard. So we have to practice article a lot of. And dear students, as there is lot of rules in articles, you don't need to memorize all these rules, but you have to practice. After practicing, you will able to put definite or indefinite article correctly or close in your exam paper or in your practice khata. Dear students, today I am going to try another articles for your betterment. Dear students, please follow the board. At first there is question: fill in the gaps of the following text with appropriate articles. Put a cross for zero article. That means you have to put A and B, and where article is not needed, then you have to put a cross. There will be 10 fill in the blanks, and marks is 5 up into 10. At first I am going through the passage, then I will tell you the answers. The students' passage is about punctuality. Punctuality is a great value to this student. You have to follow whether it is students or student. If it is plural form or singular form, and for that reason you have to put different article there. And then this unpunctual boy who is late in this class will miss this part of his lesson and fall this behind other students. But this punctual student will learn his lesson in this time and do well in this exam. And then last second sentence: punctuality is this key to success in life, full stop. We all should be this punctual in our activities. Dear students, this is the passage of our today's article. Now I am telling you the answer of today's passage. First, punctuality is a great value to this student. To it is indefinite article, so you have to use A or N, and as the first letter of student S, and it is uttering students, so you have to put here A. Then this unpunctual boy, it is also indefinite article, and as the word unpunctual's first letter is U, and U sounds here vowel, so we have to put here an unpunctual boy who is late in this class. It is definite article. Class here is definite article, so definitely you have to put here who is late in the class, and then will miss this part of his lesson which part of lesson he will miss, it is not definite here, so it is indefinite article. Here you should put your N, and the word part first letter is P, and so you have to use here this a part of this lesson. And fall this behind other students. Here no article is needed, so you have to put a cross here. So the answer of this sentence will be part of his lesson and fall cross behind other students. Then, but this punctual student will learn his lesson. Which punctual student is not clearly mentioned here, so we have to put here indefinite article, and that is A. But a punctual student will learn his lesson in time. Here will be also zero article, because before in and time there will be no article, so we have to put a cross here. And do well in this exam. It is certain exam, so it is definite article. You have to put here well in the exam. Then punctuality is dash key to success in life. It is definite, and this full sentence, punctuality is dash key to success in life. It's a proverb, and all the proverbs need and contain specific words, specific articles. So it will require here the punctuality is the key to success in life. Then we all should be best punctual in our activities. It is also zero article here. For that zero article, you have to put a cross here. We all should be cross punctual in our activities. Dear students, this is the answer of our today's articles. I think all of you have understood well. As I told previous, there are two types of article, definite and indefinite article. Indefinite article is a and an, and definite article is the. So you have to look out in your passage some techniques, whether the fill in the blanks afterwards is definite or indefinite, and thus you can put a or an or the or clause, and you have to follow some other rules, like whether the afterwards of the fill in the blanks is vowel or consonant. If it is vowel, definitely it will take an, and if it is consonant, it will take a. But some other vowel sounds consonant will also take an, not a, like he is an MA, he is SP, he is LLB. These sorts of words contain vowel sounds, though the word is consonant. Such kind of letters which performs vowel sounds, and that is if it is consonant, but you have to put an before that word, and if the definite article, you must use the before that. Dear students, as I told previously, article is normally used before nouns or noun equivalent, but article will used before every parts of speech except pronoun. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Without pronoun, before 7 parts of speech, we should use articles. You have to mind it. Dear students, a lot of practice can help you to perfect in article setting in your practice khata or in your exam paper. Though here is 10 fill in the blanks, but I think if you practice a lot at your home, you may cut a good figure that may be 5 out of 5 in your exam. So dear students, we will take our next class after 7 days. You are getting 7 days before our next class, so you have to practice at least 7 articles at your home, and thus you can perform well in putting article in a passage. So till then, be smart, stay home, be safe. Thank you all for watching our today's class.